TurboTax and H&R block. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see which one is better, and we will discuss all the features and functionalities related to these two platforms so you can decide yourself which one is better. So on TurboTax there are many choices, and if we compare it with the H&R block, then there are less choices and it is more straightforward. Also, there are more pop-ups and advanced offers on TurboTax, so you might get annoyed if you are doing it for the first time, as there will be so many pop-ups, you will have to get rid of them. And on H&R block there might not be any pop-ups or offers, and it is straightforward. So this way we can conclude that if someone is filing the tax for the first time, then H&R block would be better, as it is straightforward and the interface is user friendly as compared to TurboTax. On TurboTax there will be many choices, so it might be little hard for the first timer to choose the options correctly and file their taxes. Also, when we compare them on the basis of help that you get from these platforms, then you can get live help on TurboTax, but when it comes to H&R block, you not only get the help from H&R block, but there are some physical locations as well where you can book the appointment and get the help from that particular person. And this way you get in-person help from H&R block, and this way it seems a little better as compared to TurboTax when it comes to getting the help. Now let's compare them on the basis of integration. When it comes to TurboTax, there are better importing features, and you can import your tax details from different sources like banks, your investing agencies, and this way it would be hassle free for you to get the different tax details from all these different platforms on TurboTax on one platform, and this way you would be able to file them quite easily. But when it comes to H&R block, you won't be able to get this kind of integration that you get on TurboTax, and the integration is limited and you might have to do it manually and get the tax filed. Now both of them have the mobile friendly applications, but in conclusion I would like to say that it all depends whether you are a first timer or someone who has the experience of filing the taxes. If you are an advanced person or person who has the experience of filing the taxes, then TurboTax might be the one that you might choose, but for the first timers the H&R block might be a better option, as the interface is user friendly and there are straightforward options that you have to fill and your tax will be filed. But when it comes to integration, you might have to do it all manually. So I hope this particular video was helpful for you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.